Hello students, we are continuing the cloud deployment model topic of cloud computing subject. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the next type of cloud deployment model, that is community cloud. Basically, community cloud is between the private cloud and public cloud. Community clouds are shared by many organizations and support a specific community having common concerns like mission, objective, security requirements, policies, or compliance considerations. Conceptually, it is between a private and public cloud and having shared infrastructure that is employed by and supported by multiple organizations, having overlapping considerations and similar operations. These organizations behave like a member of community, although the physical existence of the shared cloud may reside on any member's premise or even a third party site. Managing and controlling of community cloud may become complicated due to controlling of community cloud may reside on any member's premise or even a third party site. Managing and controlling of community cloud may become complicated due to conflict of interest or shifting ownership and responsibilities. While technically challenging to deal with issues with resource management, privacy, security requirements, and latency. Basically, community clouds offer independent from vendors' monopoly as well as openness towards a sharing and social structure of technological benefits. Community ownership supports for economic scalability and graceful failures. There is no conflict between convenience and control like private and public clouds. The community cloud leaves significant smaller carbon footprints than public clouds as well as energy utilization efficient in community cloud. Community cloud also have some major benefits as we discussed previously. Openness of cloud, since the cloud is managed or reside on any member's premise and it is open to the all members of the community. The cloud is supported by the community, so it gives economical scalability, and also graceful failure brings robustness. These are the basic benefits. There is no convenience versus control conflicts. It is environmental sustainability. Apart from these benefits of community cloud, the community clouds have some drawbacks like complications of unspecified ownership and shifting responsibility, since it is reside in the community members premise or any third party site. So it may possible that in order to shift the cloud or shifting the responsibility of the cloud or ownership, it may be a complication. Another point is the technical challenges in the managing and providing the security on community cloud. And the third point is third drawback is still inferior to public cloud in terms of sharing the number of services offered. Thank you very much.